Hello, I'm Jennifer Davenport. This video is all about some of my very favorite Amazon fall decor finds, so stay tuned. I recently did another Amazon video and you guys loved it, so I said, okay, here's going to be a video all about my favorite Amazon fall finds. So let's go. This is a beautiful mango wood tray carved into the shape of a leaf. If sealed right, you could use it as a charcuterie board, or you can use your favorite fall candle. And these beads, which I had in my last video, and I'll put a link to that, and just nestle those beads right around the candle. Simple and easy. Here's another really easy fall centerpiece idea. Again, everything off of Amazon. I'm gonna start with a wood cake stand, and then this is a real cedar wreath that has been dyed to a color like a rust auburn color. Put that on top of the cake stand, and then a beautiful ceramic pumpkin. I mean, look how that rust just pops off of that white color. You could set this on a coffee table, you could set it in your kitchen. Super easy. Very good. In the fall, I love anything pumpkin. I found these galvanized trays. They have gold on the edges, which really updates them. They're in 3 different sizes. You could use one in a bathroom. You could use one in a living room to put cute other little pumpkins on it. And you could also, again, use it in the kitchen. You could set it on an easel. There's so many different uses you could do. For my next fall Amazon find, this is gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna create a really cool vignette mixing rustic with glamour. We're gonna start with this wood tray, very rustic bark on the outside. We're going to put a beautiful checkered, gray and white checkered pitcher. You could use this all year round. And then I've just got some yellow flowers. Pop that in there and spread them out a little bit. I love how the yellow pops off with the color of the gray. And then for our glamour, I love these pumpkins, black and gold. You could put this vignette on your kitchen island, on the dresser in your bedroom, on your coffee table. You could just use it anywhere. I love, again, glamour and rustic. Beautiful. Okay, so the next thing is I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use garland to make a really cool fall centerpiece. Now I chose this eucalyptus. Now a lot of times when you're decorating with fall, you don't have to stick with the orange and the brown and the yellow. Add another color in there, and this green is gonna be beautiful. And one of the reasons I like to use garland for centerpieces is because it's low to the table, you can kind of decorate around it, and when you have a party, your guests can see each other. We don't have some large centerpiece. The next thing I want to put into this is this orange and brown eucalyptus. So it comes on a big long stem. All I'm gonna do is trim it in some smaller pieces, and I'm gonna stick it inside the green eucalyptus. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick this in. I'm gonna alternate a little bit on each side and just tuck that right in and continue down the garland. I thought it would be really fun to add these tassels into this garland. Never done that before, but tassels are really trendy. Kind of gives you a little bit of a boho look. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna trim them off of this garland. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna kind of tuck it into the garland and alternate as I go. I'm gonna add these adorable little dried flowers. They're like little pom-poms, and they're gonna really add just a pop of color. For the final thing, I'm going to add these absolutely beautiful candle holders. I just love them. I think I'd even use them at Christmas time with the beautiful gold leaves. I'm gonna stagger them all the way down the table. And this garland, the beautiful green and the beautiful oranges and the tassels just are something so different, but yet so simple. And then it all lays on top of this beautiful table runner that is a brown and white check. Nothing says fall like cozy blankets and pillows. I've got 2 I want to share with you. It's hard to find really good blankets. I highly recommend these. I love the rust color of this one. I'm going to lay it on first, and then I've got a very heavy blanket that's going to sit on top. Black plaid. I mean, look how that pops out. And then I love this pillow because we all need to be thankful. Okay, here's a really cool fall decor item I found. And not only could you use it in the fall, you could also use it through the Christmas holiday. Cool, heavy pine cone. You can separate it and use it as bookends, or push them together and use them as some decor. You could set it on a cutting board in a kitchen. You could put it on a living room table, anything. This is super cool. So for my last Amazon find, this one might be my favorite. Huge, heavy jar. They're very popular right now, and they're kind of hard to find. This one is a little more expensive from some of the other items I showed you, but you can use it year round. Kind of has an amber green color to it. I actually picked this grass from my yard, put a little tie around it so it makes it easy to put in the top. I'm gonna slide that in, just like that. And then again, beads. Let me show you how to put beads on a jar. It's kind of like putting a scarf on. So I've got it bit in the middle, and I come around, and I'm gonna pull the beads through that loop, and it's just as simple as that. So everything I used is in the description of this video. Bringing a little bit of fall into your home just makes it feel happy. It makes us embrace this next season. And guys, Christmas is right around the corner, so be sure to subscribe to this channel because we have a lot of really fun stuff planned. Everybody, stay safe and stay well. Thank you so much.